What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. Look, it's New Money Maker Mondays. I'm going to bring you one of the oldest sites, one of the oldest get paid to sites online. This is Clixsense, and you see here, I'm showing you this so close because I want you to see how long I've been a member of this site, since 2009. All right, 2009, 10 years with this site. I've been paid plenty of times with it. I just, this is a site that continues to stay stable. A lot of people don't really talk about it that much for whatever reason, but it really does pay. And I've been using it for a very long time. As you can see, like I said, 2009. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing in this site, all that good stuff. All right. So you see here, the surveys. I go there. They have plenty of surveys. All right. They got 53 of them right now. So I'm going to do that. That's all I do is click on that tab, and you see all these surveys here they have and what they're paying. I go through and I attempt all of these, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of them don't take that long. Look, 5-minute surveys, you can get over $1, sometimes $2. I mean, they're really not taking long at all to do. A lot of them are under 10 minutes and they're paying really big. You know what I'm saying? They have lots of surveys, y'all, lots of them. You know what I'm saying? That's why I want to bring this site to your attention on New Money Maker Mondays, because I feel like a lot of people don't really know about this site, but it's been around longer than most of the sites that people use. You know what I'm saying? It's been very stable. I'm gonna show my balance right now. Right now I have $1.26 in my account. On this site, I think you cash out at like $8. You can go PayPal. They also have checks. But like I said, my routine with this site is to go here. Like I said, I click on surveys. Right now it has 72. It said 53 earlier, but now it has 72. They're constantly adding surveys to this site. I go through and I just attempt every last one of these surveys. That's what I do. And what I find on this site, because they have so many, I'm qualifying for at least 40% of them. That's almost half, because with this site, you fill out your profile and it really does do a good job of, matching you with surveys that really fit for you. And you see here at the top, a poll fit surveys available for you to start now, a quick 18 cent. You know what I'm saying? You have more. I can do, if I do my profiles with that, I can do more surveys. One thing about this site, like, you can do your profile for each one of these. Like, just for Pollfish, you can do a general survey, a general demographic survey. For Tuluna, the same thing. I haven't done it yet because they just kind of added that recently. But the thing is, just complete your profile by clicking on surveys profile and do more. You constantly have to update it on this site because they want you to really stay updated. Because a lot of sites, they'll just have you do your profile once, and then over time things in your life change. So you're not really, using those same demographic profiles that you had earlier when you, created the profile. You see here that's clicking because they have, more questions for them. Like I said, they want you to kind of update it like every 30 days or so, just so they can really guarantee that they're really sending you surveys that are for you. Okay, so like I said, I go through and I try all of these surveys. Got 72 of them. Just scroll down and find which works for you. Okay, they have offer walls, ones that you see on all of these. Next thing I do here, I go to Peanut Labs. I try those. They have more surveys there, of course. Offer Turo. I try some of the free offers that they have. They have their own offer wall, clicks offers. I think it's really good when a site has their own. That way, you can really see how much effort and time they're really putting into making this site really good for all its members. And you see here, just signing up for free things. Look, signing up for retirement resources, 15 cents. Just quick things you can do. You know what I'm saying? Not difficult at all. I go through, I try some of these offers. Bam. I cashed out on this site, 3 days ago, I believe it was, that I cashed out. I go through and try all of these. You know what I'm saying? Very simple to do. Okay. And also they have tasks you can do. Complete tasks. I'll show you some of the tasks they have. See here. Some of the things they have. Just if you want to do some tasks, just here. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of take a look at it, see if you can complete it. They don't really have a lot of them, but it's still something to take a good look at and see if you can complete them, because they're not really difficult. Like I said, look, help us find businesses and names and addresses. That, doesn't hard to do. You just look on Google and find that out, and then, just submit it and get paid 6 cents for that. Just quick money. But that's what it's about in this site. Look, it's Clixsense. The link is in the description. You sign up, you get a bonus. I think they're going to give you, I'm not sure how much you get when you sign up, but they do give out bonuses at sign up. They've really changed over the years. I remember when this site was first out, it was really just a pay-to-click site. You just click on ads, you get like, a half a penny or something like that. But they've gotten away from that, and added surveys and offers and really made it a lot easier to make a lot of money on this site. So you know my routine, like I just showed you one more time, just to kind of a brief overview. I go through, I try all the surveys, go over here to offers, go to Peanut Labs, then I go to Offer Turo, back up to Clicks Offers. You know what I'm saying? And you can always try some of these other offer walls if you want to. And then, of course, you know, still look at the complete tasks, you know, because there are some easy tasks in there from time to time. You just kind of have to check back on it regularly. Okay, so that's what I want you guys to do. I want you to sign up with the link in the description. If you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me, because I definitely want to do my best in helping you guys make money with this, not only with this site, but with all the sites that I use. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And, you know, just like I said, subscribe, because I'm dropping videos like every day, showing you, you know, cash out, showing you tutorials on how to make money, bring you new sites like this site. You know, every Monday I'm bringing you a new site, every single Monday. So definitely tune in. There's going to be a new site for you to add to your routine, so you can make even more and more money. I want you guys to make the same amount of money that I'm making online, and even more, because the crazy thing about it is I'm not even making, you know, as much money online as some other people. I know people that are subscribed to my channel, they're telling me, you know, they make, you know, close to $200 a day, $300 a day, you know, and because they have more free time than I do. So it's really beneficial for them. And that's really good to hear that people are really putting in the work and they're really grinding out in these surveys. And, you know, things that I'm telling you is working for people. So it's not like I'm just making these routines up. They're really people doing this and making good money with it. And you can do it too. Everything I'm bringing you is free. I'm showing you tutorials on exactly what I do and how you can make money with it. Very, very simple. Okay, so Clixsense, click on the link in the description today. Sign up, complete your profile, all that good stuff. And, you know, go through and bang out all those surveys, you know, and just continue to pile money into your account, cash out quick as you can, and just, you know, put money in your pocket, you know, for bills, for saving, for vacation, whatever it is. Just continue to make money online, whether you have a job or you don't. That's what it's all about. So, you know me, click on the link in the description. Always remember, every penny counts.